welcome back to my channel. Hey guys, welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be installing this wig by Allove hair, and as you guys can see, the hair is already prepped and ready for installation, and that's because I prepped it in a second video. So if you guys are interested in seeing how I prep my wigs for installation, specifically how I prepped this wig for installation, make sure you guys go check out my last video. I will put it in the description box down below. But anyway, I'm not going to talk too much in this video because everything is self-explanatory, and I did kind of do this install pretty fast, but it is a few things that I did new that I usually don't do in my other installs. Like this, for example, I usually use Gossipy spray to do the ball cap method, but this time I'm using my Ghost Bond, and in my opinion, it does hold the wig cap down way better, and you don't really have to put a lot up. All you have to do is put like a little line and make sure it's 100% dry. You want to make sure it's completely dry because it will start slipping back. But yeah, I really love doing it this way instead, so I'm probably going to keep doing it like this when it comes to melting my wig cap. And the second thing that I did that was new was, as you guys can see, I'm putting the makeup on the wig cap, but I'm not putting the makeup on top of the glue. So I'm putting all the makeup behind the glue. I'm not gonna lie to y'all, I really don't know what that does, but I did it because I seen somebody else do it, and I forgot what they said it did. But yeah guys, everything, like, it looked way better like in my install at the end. So yeah, I'm not gonna talk too much. Well, I'm not gonna talk anymore unless I have something specific that I need to explain in the video. So I hope you guys enjoy, and yeah. Okay, just so you guys aren't confused as to what this bottle is, because the logo actually did rub off, this is some lace tint. So lately I've been using lace tint on the lace, and it's been looking way better because, you know, it's tint. Like, it's gonna make it your color, your skin color. So yeah, that's what I've been using. That's what I just used in that white bottle. And then I'm going to put in the Got To Be spray, and then I'm going to be putting my elastic band on to melt the lace. Alright guys, so this is how the hair came out. I know you guys keep seeing me playing the hair and stuff, and that's just because I'm trying to find like a curl pattern or like a style that it looks good, because I didn't expect the hair to come out this big in a way, but it looks really cute, y'all. I'm just trying to find like a curl that sits right with me. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you guys are interested in seeing the first video I did on how I customized the wig, make sure you guys go check that out. Make sure you guys like, comment, share, and subscribe. Follow me on all my social media platforms. Comment down below any other video ideas you guys want from me. Make sure you guys go check out Allove hair. All their information will be in the description box down below. Check them out. Use my discount code if I do have one. It will be in the description box down below. And yeah, until next time, Desi out.
I feel roll this dirty, won't fall with no pill. Young nigga come from the hill. Won't show emotions, but feelings be real. I say, baby, what's the deal? Phone in my pocket right next to the scale.